The great two cities of Sodom and Gomorrah has come under intense debate over the years. There has been argument if they really existed or not. But I want to use this opportunity to put an end to the argument of Sodom and Gomorrah. This is the story of Sodom and Gomorrah.
For they indulged themselves into wide-scale incest and unnatural sexual practices, for which they were punished with a total annihilation by nuclear fire, by the one who was angry about these unbelievable activities. Exactly 10,000 years ago, an extraterrestrial human landed on Earth from Nairo star system named JHWH Arusim, also called the Cruel One, who had his headquarters deep under the ground of the Pyramid of Giza in the country you call Egypt today. Under his supreme command, the deep subterranean chambers of Giza pyramid were converted into his habitation and for his command and control center, which was actually built by extraterrestrials from Sirius star system 73,680 years ago. For thousands of years, from underground of Giza pyramid, the whole world was subjugated and subjected under the control of this powerful alien human being of an extraordinary strength and power. He was venerated and worshipped as a god by all inhabitants of the planet. For his guardian angels, half human, half bird, creatures cherubim, forcefully demanded soul. He took over control of the Hyperboreans, Amos people, the Armenians, the Aryans, the Indians, and Hebrons, the Hebrews. These were three major races that populated the earth at that time. Arusim was bestial in action and in outward appearance, a man of unimaginable height and stature. He was a man of cruel dispositions and took offense over little unknown misdeed from the people of earth. Attached to this monstrous space vehicle were laser ray eliminators, thermonuclear atomic launchers, mid-range destroyers, and overkill beamers. With this bringer of death vehicle, the whole world was kept under absolute servitude and total subjugation to this powerful 18 feet tall extraterrestrial human God. Arosim was thorough in his disposition and extremely strict in his commandments. Failure to observe his rules and regulations is punishable by death. These giant guardian angelic beings, Nephilims, kept 24 hours watch over mankind that they were later over time called the Watchers, whose flapping sound of their wings could be heard from great distances. Under their constant watch, humanity was monitored to the last bit of any form of misbehavior or misdeed of any kind by these beings of immense height and size. Over time, these guardian angelic beings intermittently reported any sign of misdeeds to Arosim, who wasted no time to issue directives of punishment to any section of the planet which misdeeds arises from. Such were the case of these two great heavily populated cities called at that time Sodom, which is not far from our neighbor Gomorrah. In the course of time, the great cities of Sodom and Gomorrah got themselves into machinations of degenerate elements, especially by those degenerates, ones who indulge into unnatural sexual inclinations paired with incest. unnatural sexual acts and other misdeeds spread like wildfire towards other heavily populated cities of Earth. The city of Petra was not spared from these unnatural sexual practices, acts which were very foreign to extraterrestrial humans living on Earth at that time. Sodom degenerated so badly, and her closest neighboring city, Gomorrah, that they were renowned for their terrible evil practices and unnatural sexual unions with other non-human creatures of the planet Earth. The degeneration of these two great cities got to a certain zenith that they were later in the course of time called the cities. Such were the moral conditions of these great cities of Sodom and Gomorrah during the reign of J.H.W. Arusim, God on earth. At that time, he sent out his powerful watchers, guardian angels, throughout all the cities of earth, and found them wanting, for the great cities of Sodom and Gomorrah were marked for destruction. The city of And the watchers brought back ill report of Sodom and Gomorrah before the court of great God J.H. Arusim, who was seated deep under the ground of Giza pyramid. For the watchers did not speak well of Sodom and her sister city Gomorrah, for these cities were visited many days by these winged creatures. And it came to pass that Asasasel Samjaza, Satel, and Tatel, all powerful angelic guardian princes, brought evil report of Sodom and Gomorrah before the great J.H. Arosim, for these cities erred greatly before the sons of heaven. And J.H.W.H. Arosim was very infuriated by these actions of Sodom and Gomorrah, and where he could get hold of the fallible ones, he ordered his sub-leaders and his guardian angels to release the punishment they have selected for these great cities. His punishment for the disobedience of the population of Sodom and Gomorrah against his commands was that he let two small atom bombs ignite over the two cities, which finally leveled everything to the ground, killing all humans and animals. At that time, he entered into his great space vehicle and rained fire and sulfur upon these cities, and the great cities of Sodom and Gomorrah